underground city is like a maze. Could get lost easily.
After spending over an hour and a half enjoying lunch and unwinding by the stream, we're hitting the road again. Now, on to our next stop, around 45-minute drive, one of the highlights of the green tour. Welcome to KAYMAKLI Underground City. Situated within the fortified area, or the stronghold of KAYMAKLI, in the central Anatolia region of Turkey. Renowned for its extensive network of tunnels, rooms, and passages carved into the soft volcanic rock, historically used by early Christians as a refuge during times of conflict. Originally named Remarkably in ancient times, KAYMAKLI Underground City was also used as a shelter for local inhabitants for several centuries throughout the Arab-Byzantine Wars. KAYMAKLI Underground City dates back to the Hittite period, around 2000 BCE. It was expanded by early Christians around the 4th century AD. The city consists of multiple levels, known to have 8 floors, with only 4 open to the public. The people of Cappadocia, known as the Anatolians, were faced with numerous invasions and attacks. In order to protect themselves, they began carving out underground tunnels and rooms in the soft volcanic rock. Over the centuries, various civilizations ascended to dominance, shaping the development of the underground city. The Phrygians, Persians, Romans, Byzantines, and early Christians each contributed to its evolution, expanding its network with additional chambers, ventilation shafts, and intricate frescoes, enriching this captivating subterranean complex.
One thing that I want to ask you, guys, please only follow me because underground city is like a maze. You could get lost easily. So just follow me.
The city could accommodate thousands of people, along with their livestock and supplies for extended periods.
You will not see the for a week or 2, but still they did a church inside. So this is a Greek Orthodox church also. And there's an axis that's how we know that place used to be a church. Then, while you are passing from that side, you will see on the left side there are 2 crosses over here. And also guys, even though they were staying inside for a week, they have a graveyard area. That side is the graveyard area. I mean, when somebody dies, basically they bury them to that side. I mean, yeah, they bury them inside. But other than when the war is over or the enemy is passed, they are taken. Everybody's here? We didn't have anybody, right? Alright guys, as I told you, these people, I mean, this is a huge area. And also, we will only see the 15% of the area. Underground city is a lot bigger than that. You can see 7, 8, 7. So, it's really big. When they're not using the area, what they were doing, they were using it as a store. So they bring all the and store them inside the house. Let's go guys. Please follow me.
The architecture of KAYMAKLI showcases advanced engineering, with ventilation shafts that provide fresh air deep underground, and intricate layouts designed for defense and communal living. Ever wondered how people living here navigate through tunnels? Do they ever get lost in this maze of ancient passages? It's interesting to understand the practical aspects of daily life and navigation within such a unique and historically significant environment. Wondering how tall the people living here were as well. There are a few different ways to reach KAYMAKLI Underground City from Gagreen. By car or taxi. The most convenient and flexible option is to drive. It's about a 30-minute drive, depending on traffic and road conditions from Gagreen to KAYMAKLI. Organized tour. This is what we did. Typically tour operator, pick up guests from hotel in Gagreen or Uchasar. A guided tour includes visits to other nearby attractions, such as what we have visited. Public transport. While less common, you may find local buses or dolmus, shared taxis that travel between Gagreen and KAYMAKLI. Be sure to check schedules and routes in advance, as they may not run frequently if you prefer this option. Private transfer. Some hotels or accommodations in Gagreen can arrange a private transfer to KAYMAKLI Underground City. This can be a more comfortable option if you prefer not to drive yourself or join a larger tour group. The tunnels are narrow, and there is a lot of squat walking in order not to hit your head. Like all of these underground cities, the most impressive aspect of the KAYMAKLI underground city is the organized, structured, and comprehensive nature of the complex. It had everything from living space, stables, and communal kitchens to a church, a graveyard, as well as being well fortified to protect its inhabitants. The KAYMAKLI underground city also has an inordinate number of storage rooms, which historians and archaeologists believe allude to economic stability and prosperity. In Cappadocia, there are 36 underground cities, with KAYMAKLI being the largest. It's believed to be the widest underground city in existence, meaning it's not too terrible an option for claustrophobes. The site was first opened to the public in 1964 and is part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, incredibly well preserved and maintained. And well lighted. Exploring the underground city feels like journeying into the Ant Kingdom. It evokes a sense of entering a bustling and meticulously organized world, where resilience, cooperation, and the wonders of tiny ecosystems exist.
Okay, guys. This is the kitchen area, and if you look up, you'll see the smoke. Oh, it is. All right, guys. When you look up, you will see different rocks inside of the tufa stone. Black, white, there is a lot of different rocks. And that one over here is a different rock, obviously. You can touch it and feel it. This is basalt. It is basically the lava of the volcanic eruption. And this is a harder stone. We don't know if they brought it inside or found it inside. We don't know how they brought it inside. But probably they were using it for spices or tricks.
If we summarize what we learned about KAYMAKLI Underground City, it's a combination of shelter, protection, and and community. Volcanic rock provided excellent insulation, ensuring warmth in winters and coolness in summers. Intricate tunnels and rooms allowed inhabitants to hide from frequent raids and invasions, offering safety akin to a secret fortress. Fully functioning community. It included living quarters, storage rooms, kitchens, and even a church. Early Christian refuge, underground chambers, served as places of worship and community gatherings for early Christians seeking shelter. After over an hour exploring the underground city, we will be heading back to KAYMAKLI and Luchasar. Just when we thought the tour was over, there was one more stop. Bayzade Kuru Yemek and Lokam along KAYMAKLI Luchasar Road. Operator tour isn't complete without exploring the local markets. And a stop at shop isn't complete without a free taste. Product-free test. We ended up buying some Turkish delights and pomegranate soap. The treats are delicious. Pomegranate soap was effective for whitening, had an organic feel. We wish we had brought more.
Please don't forget to subscribe and hit bell button of Paul Tonet for more videos.